G'day legends and welcome to the channel. 2022 is almost upon us, so first off, Happy New Year. Now there's a few things changing in the channel and the content and everything like that I'm going to be creating in the new year. One of those things is I'm changing the name of the channel to the Mighty Overlander from the Mighty Jimny. One of the reasons why I'm doing that is I've bought a 14-foot Stacer Sea Sprite tinny. So the Mighty Tinny is going to be joining the crew. So that's going to be really good. Lots of same kind of content. The car is still going to be the main focus of it all. But I just want to kind of open it up a little bit more and just prove that the car can do more than just take me and a swag. I also want to be able to take the boat to the river and do those kind of fishing things and all those kind of good things as well. Now, keep an eye out. There's going to be some merch and stuff like that available in late January, early February, which is going to be really good. There's a really good thing coming up in the next month or so with Ronnie Dahl's show. The Mighty Jimny actually got a feature for one of the modified episodes. I can't tell you which one, but it's going to be coming up somewhere around January, February, which is going to be really good. So look forward to that one. That one's going to be absolutely fantastic. Make sure all you Jimny followers out there go and support Ron. And apart from that, though, it's going to be an absolutely purling 2022 lined up. Lots of really good trips. Adding the different car, the tinny and using the car and all those kinds of things is going to be great. All right, guys, I've just finished a camp with some guys and it is bloody hot out here, so I'm going to get back in the car and get home. But you guys, enjoy yourselves. Enjoy 2022. Stay safe over New Year's and, yeah, have a good one.